The Pentagon just dropped a bombshell. Not the kind you think. What was believed to be a slow, methodical stealth bomber program has suddenly taken a shocking turn. Newly surfaced intelligence reveals the U.S. isn't building just one B-21 Raider. It's secretly pushing out dozens. The first whispers of this surge came from high above. Satellite passes over Plant 42 in Palmdale, California. This legendary site birthed the B-2 Spirit. But what cameras caught this time were different. Dozens of massive, tarp-covered shapes sat on the tarmac, far beyond official numbers. Then came an offhand remark from General Thomas Busier about a second B-21 test flight. It sounded routine, until experts realized it was just the visible tip of something far bigger. While America's stealth fleet quietly multiplies, its rivals are still chasing shadows. China's H-20 bomber is shrouded in secrecy, with leaks hinting at a single prototype and years of testing ahead. Russia's PAK-DA? Delayed, underfunded, and still without a working model. Meanwhile, the U.S. is on track to roll out nearly 40 B-21 Raiders before most of the world even sees one up close. This isn't just a lead. It's a sprint so far ahead. Others can't even see the dust. The B-2 Spirit proved America could build the ultimate stealth bomber, but it also proved how to kill a program with costs. Only 21 ever flew, crippled by staggering expense and complex maintenance. The B-21 team studied those mistakes like a playbook. From the very first design sketch, scalability, speed, and affordability were non-negotiable. Every bolt, panel, and system was engineered not for a museum piece, but for a fleet big enough to dominate any sky for decades to come. At the heart of the B-21 surge is a game-changing innovation: digital twin technology. Every component, from radar arrays to landing gear, exists in a perfect virtual replica before it's ever built. Engineers solve problems in the digital realm, slashing certification times and cutting manufacturing hours by nearly a third. The result? Fewer delays, lower costs, and flawless consistency. For the Raider, this means the assembly line isn't just building bombers, it's producing precision machines at a scale once thought impossible, turning a classified dream into a rapidly multiplying reality. Step inside the B-21's production floor, and it feels more like Silicon Valley than a military hangar. Augmented reality headsets guide technicians through intricate builds, highlighting each bolt and wire in real time. Robotic arms handle delicate stealth panels with micrometer precision. Artificial intelligence constantly monitors workflows, predicting and preventing errors before they happen. Every new bomber is built faster and cleaner than the last, creating a self-accelerating cycle of efficiency. This isn't just manufacturing, it's an industrial revolution in stealth aviation, and it's happening behind doors the world was never meant to see. In 2026 alone, the Air Force poured over $10 billion into the B-21 program, covering production, research, and base upgrades, with each unit targeting a cost of $550 million in 2010 dollars. It's dramatically cheaper than the B-2. Northrop Grumman has already absorbed billions in early losses, a deliberate move to scale production fast. Defense analysts compare it to a tech giant's strategy. Take short-term hits now to secure long-term dominance. Only here, the payoff is unmatched air superiority. Since its first flight in late 2023, the B-21 has been flying almost twice a week, feeding engineers a constant stream of test data. Issues are identified and fixed in real time, shrinking the development timeline dramatically. Built with open systems architecture, the Raider can integrate future weapons, sensors, and defensive tech without costly redesigns. This means today's bomber is already prepared for tomorrow's wars, evolving to counter threats that don't even exist yet, and staying ahead for its entire 50-year service life. The B-2 Spirit's stealth was revolutionary, but it came with a crippling drawback: endless, costly maintenance. The B-21 changes that equation entirely. Using advanced, durable stealth coatings, it keeps its radar invisibility with minimal upkeep. This turns it from a hangar queen into a daily operational asset, ready to launch missions at a moment's notice. Stealth is no longer fragile. It's dependable, mission-ready, and built for the realities of modern warfare. The B-21 Raider isn't just a bomber. It's a multi-role powerhouse. It can deploy both nuclear and conventional weapons, with modular bays ready for future payloads. Its advanced sensors allow it to map enemy defenses, intercept communications, and guide allied forces in real time. In some missions, it may never drop a single bomb, instead acting as an invisible command center in the sky, shaping the battlefield from above, and ensuring every operation has a decisive technological edge. America's bomber fleet is aging fast. The B-52, first flown in 1952, lacks stealth. The B-1 Lancer suffers from chronic maintenance issues, and the B-2 Spirit exists in numbers too small to meet global demands. Analysts warn that countering both China and Russia could require 200 to 300 B-21s, far beyond the current plan for 100. The production surge underway isn't just about new planes. It's about closing a dangerous capability gap before rivals can exploit it. Ellsworth Air Force Base in South Dakota will be the first to operate the B-21 Raider, with specialized hangars, secure facilities, and advanced maintenance bays already under construction. Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri and Dyess Air Force Base in Texas are set to follow. Training programs, adapted from decades of B-2 operational experience, are being tailored for the Raider's cutting-edge system. By the time it enters active service, both crews and bases will be fully mission-ready from day one. The B-21 program is breaking the mold for defense projects, meeting deadlines, delivering promised capabilities, and avoiding costly overruns. Its success has captured the attention of U.S. allies while pushing adversaries to accelerate their own stealth programs. The Raider now stands as the gold standard for long-range strike, showcasing America's unmatched industrial and technological dominance. The B-21's advanced production methods, skilled workforce, and high-tech facilities are national assets. These capabilities, built for the Raider, will fuel future U.S. aerospace projects, enabling faster, more efficient development of next-generation systems. This industrial edge ensures America's dominance in military aviation for decades to come. Each B-21 Raider is more than a weapon. It's a symbol of American ingenuity and determination. Built by thousands across 40 states, it proves the nation's ability to design, produce, and deploy world-leading systems, reassuring allies and warning adversaries that U.S. air power remains unmatched. The B-21 Raider is rewriting the rules of air power, and this is only the beginning. With dozens already in production, its influence will shape decades of military strategy. How many should America build? Share your thoughts, like this video, and subscribe for more deep-dive military insights.